Most people think of weather as a forecast problem. Rain, heat, cold, storms, things you check before leaving the house. But in the real economy, weather is not just a forecast. It is a financial variable, one that quietly affects prices, risk, and volatility long before headlines catch up. That's what weather finance is about. In finance, a variable is anything that changes outcomes. Interest rates are variables. Energy demand is a variable. Supply chains are variables. Weather directly changes all of them. Temperature affects electricity demand. Rainfall affects crop yields. Storms affect logistics, insurance losses, and infrastructure reliability. These aren't opinions, they're inputs. Here's the key insight. Markets don't react to weather when it happens. They react when risk becomes visible. Businesses hedge weather months in advance. Utilities price temperature risk before summer starts. Insurers model losses years ahead. By the time you see prices move, the weather impact is already working its way through contracts, balance sheets, and expectations. That delay is why weather-driven risk often looks like sudden volatility, when in reality it's been building quietly. The people who care most about weather aren't meteorologists, they're risk managers. Insurance companies, utilities, farmers, logistics firms, and commodity producers. These industries don't ask, what will the weather be? They ask, what does this weather do to costs, supply, and risk exposure? Weather is not noise to them. It's a balance sheet input. When weather shifts risk for these industries, markets eventually feel it. Prices move, volatility rises, margins compress, hedging costs change. Understanding weather as a financial variable helps explain why markets behave the way they do, instead of treating price moves as random. In the next video, we'll look at how temperature directly affects economic demand, and why heat and cold create very different kinds of financial stress. That's where weather stops being a forecast and starts becoming a market force.